Oh? Oh? Am I going to be in a video? Finally! Hello, everyone. My name's Turtur.
Turtur, what are you doing here?
I'm here for the video.
Oh, okay. Well, today, guys, we are going to be unboxing a Pet Simulator X video. It's the ultimate bundle. It contains
10 great items.
You want to read them?
Yeah. 1 large plush, 2 mystery plush, 2 series DLC codes. What's that mean?
That means 3 codes for the game that will get you secret prizes.
Oh, wow. 3 fidget pets, a collector's poster, and mystery stickers. I want to see this all.
Well, we're going to do it all. I'm going to pause the video to open this up. Bye.
Whoa. It's open now. And Rome?
Yep.
Why are we stuck in a jungle?
It's not a jungle. It's my mom's plants.
This looks like it's from the dinosaur age. It tastes 4 billion years old.
Okay, let's open this already. Did you just throw up? Well, we got that figured out. Turtur had to go to the hospital, but he's back.
Yay!
So we're gonna finally open this. So many mystery bags. Alright guys, I'm going to pick between 2 that I should open. So I'm going to pause the video.
Yeah!
Okay, I'm deciding between these 2. Like for the smaller one and subscribe for the bigger one. Okay, we'll come back in 2 minutes and decide. Turtur decided to hide in this Turtur box because he's scared of scissors. So he's gonna go game with his friends. And I think more people subscribed, so I'm going to open the big one first. What did I get? I got the leopard. Whoa, it's a big leopard. Squish, squish, squish. It's a stuffed animal too. Quack, 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 quack. Now I'm gonna open the second one. The unicorn kitty. Oh, I love this one. I have this pet in the game. Next, I'm going to open this because I have no idea what's going to be inside of it. Golden doggo. And his feet go in when I do this. It's the golden doggo with feet that retract. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Okay, next. Bird. Caw, 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 caw. It's the dove in the game. This thing is awesome. No! I'll open this like an adult again.
Wow.
Turtle! I have one in this game. In the game, I named him Yurdle. Yeah, goodbye, trash. Next. Don't want to get that. The dragon! The Chinese New Year dragon! Oh, this one's awesome. Flop, 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 flop. So, I got so much stuff. Now it's time to see this. So, what is this? It's a Pet Simulator X. It's a Pet Simulator X poster. This is awesome. And then this is the is some stickers, is mystery stickers. This is awesome. I wonder where the mystery DLC could be. Maybe it's over here. Maybe these are the mystery DLCs. And if you subscribe, you could get these in the game. It's awesome. Well, guys, I think this may be the end of the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!